This guide will help you download your account data from PayPal easily. Follow these steps to access and save your information. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the page to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your data. In the account settings menu, look for the privacy or data section. Click on it to find options related to your account data. Step 4. Request your account data. Within the data section, you should see an option to download your account data. Click on this option and follow the prompts to specify the type of data you want to download. Step 5. Download the data. After your request is processed, you will receive a notification or email with a link to download your data. Click the link and save the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your PayPal account data. Make sure to keep it secure and review it as needed.